be living a life like Ava Jules for 24 hours. Ava, I am on my way. Tell me why I almost missed my flight.
We will be taxiing for a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
Waiting on Ava right now. She's coming to pick me up.
I see her. I see her. Hi.
Oh, she's strong. She's been going to the gym.
No, I gotta pull.
Okay, there we go.
Morning, oh my god, we're gonna act like we're going to sleep, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. Switch a shot. Oh.
Good morning, bitches. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Clearly this is not my apartment. I'm currently in Ava Jules' apartment in Hawaii. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me, but I'm here. And today we're gonna be living a life like Ava Jules for 24 hours. So, what time is it?
Too early.
It's 8 a.m.
I know it's a little late for you.
So today we're gonna be doing everything that she does in her vlogs, and if you don't know, I am obsessed with her. And I texted her and I was like, I'm gonna come to Hawaii and I'm gonna film a video with you. And you're gonna let me stay in your apartment. And she was like,
And suddenly she's in my bed.
okay. So welcome to our morning routine. Okay, so right now we're gonna go to the beach.
My spot.
Yeah, she's gonna see me at her spot, and then we're gonna go get some food after, get some Instagram pics. Yo, it is so weird being in her apartment because it's like imagine if you were in her apartment, you'd probably be spooked too. Like, you know, the first thing I noticed is that her couch is not what you think that her couch is. I'm sure you thought it was a full-size couch. It is not, but like it's the camera angles that trick it.
Hey guys, I'm Ava Jules. I'm just eating my avocado toast and my eggs right now. Oh my god, watching Vampire Diaries.
We're currently at Ava's little beach spot, but the tide is so high right now.
There's like a swell. I wanted to have a wholesome little beach day, but I don't know if that's gonna happen.
It's cute
right now.
though. Okay, so we were just talking about this spam account, and Ava's like, what did you say?
I go, if I request to follow you, will you let me in?
Because if you guys don't know, I only accept people like twice a year on the spam account. That's where I talk
It's a club.
And yeah, I'll say anything about my life, and I'll be spamming my stories and talking to you guys, but I only accept a couple times a year. And
I want to be in the club.
I'm about to accept her into the spam account, so this is a monumental moment. Do y'all see that? Plus 999 request. Confirmed. She has been let into the spam account. Woo! Like, a boy asked me out on a date, and I literally added I added our date pictures, the pictures he took of me.
You went on a date?
Yes, but only the spam account would have known.
Can we talk about this?
POV, you're a window cleaner right now. What a beautiful Wednesday morning to be alive. Also, why don't I ever see these in the vlog?
No, I tried to hide those.
What is this, babe? Hey guys, welcome back.
Blur them out. So aesthetic.
All I gotta say is this girl's a little bit crazy. You guys see her morning routine almost every single day, but there's something that you don't see. There's something that you don't see that she does every single morning and night. And she's keeping a secret from you guys. You guys thought you were so close to Miss Ava Jules. Well, guess what? She's keeping a secret from you. If you guys wanna know, go follow the spam account.
Ready to make some lemon water, bitch? Have obstacles.
do this. Oh, you're gonna follow me with the camera? Okay.
Wait, stop the shot.
Oh my god, didn't see you there.
You have to grab the lemon.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That shit already squeezed, bitch.
Oh, she's used.
Oh my god. She said reuse, reduce, recycle. Hashtag Google sustainability.
Ooh, she's a squirter. Cheers. First step, drinking Ava Jules classic lemon water.
I don't know if you guys heard of it before.
Oh, we have to do the classic. I wish you guys could just taste it. I wish you guys could just taste it.
Okay, that's my trademark.
Oh my god, taste it. Sorry, intermission. This is not Ava Jules' morning routine anymore or a day in the life, it's Mai's. And I don't know how to text somebody back. I literally don't know how to text boys for the fucking life of me. And like Ava literally saw firsthand, like y'all thought I was joking when I said I don't know how to talk to boys. Like
No, it's true.
Like I literally am looking at this text right now and I'm like, all right, give me 3 business days to draft up 10 different texts with 3 different emoji variations and 4 different aha-ahas. How many aha-ahas?
She does not text like how she acts. She puts a little flower. She's like, I'm cute.
I need y'all on this spam account to help me. Anyways, next step. What's the next step?
Ice roll.
All right, let's do it.
POV, your Ava Jules at 8 a.m. in the morning.
POV, you're my ice roll, about to obliterate my face.
You ice roll your arms?
Well, no, because one time I put it like directly on my face and I got like frostbite marks.
Oh.
I know.
Wow.
Going to work here.
Wow, yours is really making a sound.
I know.
Are we like living a life like you today? Is that what we're doing? I just would have never guessed. Anyways,
I'm done.
ice rolling, done. All right, we just did like our little journaling and like 5-minute journal planner. Like I am so grateful type shit. But what's next?
Put on Set Active. Go to the gym. Do a little walkity walk.
Do the little 7.5 3:30.
Oh, I do not do 12 3:30. Like if you can do 12 3:30, like go you. Like I cannot. Like I do 7.5, but at like 3.3.
Oh no, but like that's a variation though. She's walking fast. She said
Incline 12 is literally 90 degrees.
she has the long legs that walk fast. Wait, do you have the Alpine set? Like the green
Yes.
one? Oh my god, wait, we're gonna be training. All right, let's put on a workout set. Before Ava goes to the gym, she eats a peach cup, but not just eating the peach cup, she has to drain the juices.
The juice just like freaks me out.
Cheers.
Cheers, girl.
Cheers! Do you just like ASMR.
No. Do you want one?
We're gonna be fucking reading your comments all day long. I hope y'all know that. Like y'all are gonna be commenting and I'm gonna be actually reading this
I'll be in there.
and the comments better be like,
Oh my god, their energies just match so well. 2 worlds
That's
colliding.
the one. The world's colliding. That's the fucking one.
if you stayed to this point, oh, this is such an Ava Jules thing.
If you stayed till this point in the video, comment down below the peach emoji so we know who the real ones are.
Or any of those fucking comments that we just said.
Surprise, we're friends.
Oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna go down to the gym right now. I'll see you there. We did it.
I go, you did.
My ass is on fire. All right, we just finished 12 3:30 and now she's making me pick a mug because she's gonna make me her famous Nespresso. I don't know which one to pick,
That's cute.
right? But I'm like, am I feeling this one or am I feeling this one?
This matches you.
The blue one? All right, we're gonna go with this blue Aloha one that says Ava Jules. All right, here you go, master.
Taste it. I wish you could taste it.
Does that not hit
It's so fucking good.
Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know what.
No, this is amazing. Oh my god.
I made it iced today.
This is so good. All right, we have now showered, changed into some Kulani bikinis.
We are matching.
Now we're gonna make her iconic truffle and egg with avocado toast breakfast. Let the cooking commence. So yeah, I don't know, you're just gonna kind of like do a motion.
If it falls on,
That's,
I'm going to cry. I've never made not scrambled eggs. Okay, ready?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes! Oh my god, you're evolving! You're an evolving Pokemon! Look at what you just did.
And it was perfect.
Look at what you just did. I see?
I'm sweating.
She literally just went from making only scrambled eggs to flipping the whole.
Wait, what is this called?
It's all in you. You made a fried egg, bitch. That was really good.
No, I know you bitches know this is monumental for me because I don't do that.
Oh my god. We got the avocados. She got the expensive toaster and everything.
Thank you. I'm irresponsible.
We need the truffle sauce, girl.
She said I need
Truffle sauce?
Oh my god, wait, but I can't deal with the spice.
Okay, well, why don't you just put like a dot?
Oh my fucking god.
Really?
Bitch, that is so crazy.
I need like all of the egg to be
You're
colored.
crazy. I feel like I'm on like an episode of Hot Ones. I'm like shaking right now.
The droplet, I'm sorry.
That's all I need. That's all I need.
Your presentation is killing it.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. This is my first time trying truffle hot sauce, and I think that maybe it's like my third time eating hot sauce, period.
Wow.
All right, ready? We have the cheers. Oh my god, don't fucking get your saucy ass hot sauce on my shit, okay?
Here you go.
Cheers. Guys, eat it. Eat it. I want you to eat it.
It's all about sharing.
Okay. Fuck, I'm so scared. Is it that hot?
No, you're gonna like it. It's not bad, it just tastes good, right?
No, it tastes really good.
I go, do you want some more?
No.
Respectfully, absolutely not.
Very good. High five.
Yeah, girl.
Are y'all seeing what I'm fucking seeing right now? How is this real? I don't get it. This shit is so pretty. Doesn't this look crazy? Gorgeous, babes, gorgeous.
One eternity later.
We literally just took like 1,000 self-timer photos.
Ripped my nervousness about doing shit in public.
I literally have a fucking tripod
sucked it out of my body.
This is the setup we got going on right now, just for this shot, y'all. My phone was set up right here to take the pictures, so y'all better go check them out. I'm telling you, what the fuck?
Keep an eye out.
Go comment whose hats are those? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Or be like, we know whose hats those are. Period, period, period.
So
you know?
mysterious.
So that they're like, oh my god, is it a boy? It's like, oh my god, who do they meet? Yeah, do that.
Cowboy?
All right. We just finished up at the beach and now we're eating some acai bowls. How do you say it? Acai or acai?
I say acai, but I think different cultures say it differently.
So good. Today's the day I fly home. We also filmed a podcast episode on her podcast. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'll link that down below. If this video gets to 50,000 likes, we're gonna do a collab in New York and she'll be me for the day. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.